Why does Jenkins complain that my reverse proxy setup is broken? Here's today's starting point. I have a Jenkins LTS controller version 2.440.1. Now, if we were to take a look at this controller, everything appears to be okay. My URL is https://cb.codes101.com/j11. But if I go into Manage Jenkins, what I'm going to see is a red box at the top that says, it appears that your reverse proxy setup is broken. Now, what does this mean? Well, if we were to click on More Info, we're going to end up on a page called Reverse Proxy Issues and Symptoms. Now, what this message means is that there is a misconfiguration somewhere between your load balancer, whether that's Caddy or Apache or Nginx, or maybe even a hardware load balancer like F5, from the backside of those devices to the front side of your Jenkins controller. Now, the way that you can resolve this typically is you either rewrite the response or you need to set headers. But it actually may be even simpler than that. So let's go ahead and go back over to our controller. We can see that it's saying that it's broken. Well, let's go into System and let's take a look at our configuration Jenkins location. Now you'll notice here at the top, my Jenkins URL under Jenkins location is set to http://jenkins:8080/j11. But notice how I'm accessing the controller. I'm accessing it through https://cbcodes101.com/j11. So in this case, the reason why we have this mismatch, this brokenness, is because my Jenkins URL does not match the URL of what I'm browsing to in my browser. So let's go ahead and just change my configuration here from Jenkins:8080 to what the full configuration is. We'll tab that out and click on Save. Now, if we were to go ahead and click back into Manage Jenkins, we'll now see that that reverse proxy error is gone. Now, there may be times where the URLs exactly match from both whatever the URL is in your browser and the value of the Jenkins URL configuration. In those cases, that's where you go back and check out the reverse proxy documentation, and there's probably a really good chance that your reverse proxy, your Caddies or your Apaches or whatever it may not be forwarding all of the headers from the proxy down to the controller. So at that point, you would need to make sure and reconfigure whatever your proxy is to pass all of these headers, X forwarded host, and also potentially X forwarded port. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us on X @CloudBees. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to CloudBees TV yet, why not? Take a moment, click on that subscribe button, and then ring that bell, and you'll be notified anytime there's new content available on CloudBees TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.